Hello students, hope you all are fine. This side Damandeep Kaur as an IP teacher. So welcome back with the next video of Scratch. In this video I am going to introduce some blocks and how we can play with our sprite. Now come to first block, events. Whenever we have to execute our project or start our project, we have to select this flag. This flag is used to execute our project. So we will drag this in a scripting area. Next is I want to move the sprite 10 steps. So whenever we have to do movement of a sprite, whenever we have to do control the movement of sprite, that we can do from motion block. So come to motion block. Select move 10 steps. Drag this from block plate and bring into a scripting area. Now this block is used to move our sprite 10 steps. Okay, now let's execute. You can see sprite is moving. You can also change the steps. You can apply 5 steps, so it will move slow than 10 steps. Now next is go to random position. Random position means in any direction. Our sprite can move in any direction. So select go to random position from the motion block. Now let's execute. You can see sprite is moving in different directions, not in a single direction. It is moving in a different directions. Okay student, next is looks. But students, have you seen in your books that dialogues are written on the head of characters? Same as we can use dialogues on the head of sprite. How? Go to looks, then select say hello for 2 seconds. You can also do modification. One hello is there only. You can write hello world. Now you can execute with the help of this green flag. You can see dialogue is written on the head of sprite. You can also change the seconds. 2 are there by default. You can apply 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 15 seconds. Now this hello world will be appear for 10 seconds. After looks, we will come to sound block. In sound block, you can select a sound for your sprite. So select play sound, then drop into a scripting area. Now you want to listen, then click on this green flag. You can also record your own sound. How? First you have to click on this drop down arrow. Now go to record option. Now from this button you can record your sound. Okay, I am going to say hello world. Okay, hello world. Now save. Go to code tab. Then from this drop down arrow you can select recording one which we have recorded previously. Now execute.
Hello world. Hello world.
Clear how you can record your own sound? So this way you can give sound to your sprite. Now after sound we will come to motion block. Select the motion block and in this we will apply X or Y blocks. Select change X by 10. Now drop into a scripting area. Now when we apply negative value, means minus sign at front of value, then our sprite can move into left direction. For example, 10 is there and I am going to apply minus sign with 10. Now minus 10, it's a negative value. With the negative value our sprite can move left or back. You can see now. Okay, next is how we can move our sprite at a right direction or forward when our value will be positive. When there will be no sign, no any sign, it means our value is positive or in plus. So let's start. So with the help of positive value, our sprite can move right, and with the negative value, our sprite can move left or back. Next is change y by 10. Y direction is moved to up or down, and X is used to move our sprite left or right. Now this value is positive because no minus sign is there. If we apply minus sign is there first, then our sprite will move back down. Let's see. If we remove minus sign from here, it means our positive value, then our sprite will move up. So y negative is used to move downside and y positive is used to move our sprite upper side, and x negative is used to move our sprite left, and x positive is used to move our sprite right. So these are the blocks which we have done up till now. Now next is how we can change backdrop of stage. How we can do modification on a stage. Come to backdrop panel. Select, choose a backdrop. Now there is the different categories of your background. Select any background according to your choice. I am going to select this blue sky. Now you can see backdrop is available or appeared on your stage. And you can also add more than one sprite on a stage. How? Same in backdrop panel. Select, choose a sprite. So different category of sprites are also there. You can select anyone according to your need. I am going to select this food items and I am going to select this apple. Now you can see. And next sprite is also appeared on a stage. So this way you can select your backdrop or a sprite for your stage. Now in next video we will come back with new blocks or sprite or with new backdrop. Till now go through these blocks. Take care everyone. If you have any query then type it in a comment box. Thank you.